Pairing with Amazon Alexa. If you are going to be linking your Leona Smart System to your Amazon Alexa system, we highly recommend setting up the link before adding any devices to your Leona Smart app so that you can take advantage of the quick pairing feature as you add devices. To start the process, first ensure that your Amazon Alexa has been completely set up per manufacturer instructions. Once your Amazon Alexa app and devices have been set up, you can start linking it to Leona Smart. Go to your Amazon Alexa app, click on More, and click on Skills and Games. In the search bar, search for Leona Smart and tap Enable to Use. At that point, you will be prompted to log into your Leona Smart app through the Amazon Alexa app. Then, authorize Alexa to access your Leona Smart devices by clicking Authorize. Once Alexa has authorized the account link, press Close and the process is complete. Now, when you add your devices to your Leona Smart app, as shown in the app and device setup video, your devices will automatically pair with Amazon Alexa, and you can begin controlling them right away without any additional steps.